Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram tag not working. To know how to fix Instagram tag not working, you should just go to here settings. Then in this page you can click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will click storage. And then in this page, you will click clear cache. And here you will click clear data. And you can in the end update your application. That you can know how to fix Instagram tag not working. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.